This is the elevator, I think, building 200 of the Highlands Shopping Center in Triadelphia, West Virginia. This one's also Schindler Triadelphia. This one's scenic, has venom-resistant carbon. I think it has regular on the inside. Yeah, it does. Go to, I saw this in street view. Interior, what? There's some ads on the windows. Hopefully that won't be there for long. Here's 300 with the set of 2 through 30 days. Here 2, oh, that wasn't that far up. Back down to 1. Forgot to check when the other one was installed. Still in 2009, so they're not that old. Or they're not that new. Certificate. Building number 5, I guess not 300. It's a basic cab, it's scenic. I think it's the same cab except it's scenic. Number 1. I think Jared pressed the button. Jared should be out here. And there's the guy who pressed the button.
How did you know I pressed that?
Because the chime rang.
Oh, I didn't make the time. I did it after I heard the time.
That cafe is closed. There it closes, now it's gonna be it.
Yep.